Hi dear friend, welcome back to our channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I am going to show you how to see connected Wi-Fi password on Windows 11. Friends, I will show you two methods for see your connected Wi-Fi password. You can find out your connected Wi-Fi password by any of this way. So let's jump in the first process. In this way you can easily find out password from your Windows 11 settings. So first of all, here click on Windows icon and here go to settings. Then go to network and internet. After that you will see here Wi-Fi option. Click on that option. Then from here click on manage known network. Then as you can see there are all of our connected Wi-Fi list. Then now click on above of that your Wi-Fi name whose password you want to find out. After that scroll down and here you can see view Wi-Fi security key. Click on here view. After that here as you can see this is my Wi-Fi password. If your laptop lock screen is enabled, then you might need to type here your laptop pin. Then you can see your connected Wi-Fi password. So now I will show you the second method. In the second method you need to connect your Wi-Fi to your computer. Okay, so make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to your computer. So now go to Windows search bar and type here control. Then go to this control panel and here click on network and internet. Then here go to network and sharing center. Then here you will see here your connected Wi-Fi name. Click on that name. After that here click on wireless properties. Then here click on security. Now click on show characters. As you can see that is my connected Wi-Fi password. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.